let's check out the Action Planner. This is an undated, black, hardbound, very masculine planner. Now I did do a review of ALoN's earlier planner, which is the Goal Planner. So I will leave a link to that below, but this is his newest one. And in fact, he put it up on Indiegogo and said he wasn't going to make it unless it got funded, which don't worry, it did. So we're gonna check it out today, see what's inside, and if it's still a good recommendation for dudes. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now today isn't a true unboxing because I did get an advance copy from ALoN, and this is probably not something that you can get today, but it should be available, I believe, later this month, definitely next month. It's going to be, I think, $32 retail, it said on Indiegogo. Now the Goal Planner is $33.77, so he kept the pricing very similar to that. I mean, it's like $1 something. It's not even a big difference. So let's check this out and see what's inside. All right, first, this tissue paper is adorable. It's obviously custom made, and I don't know if you guys can see that. It is actually metallic. So it's not just a yellow, it's a really pretty gold color. So let's open up this first item and unwrap it. It's like Christmas. I'm really excited. Okay, this is a pen, and it's very small and it's very thin and it's very sleek looking. So I think if I twist it, I don't even know how to use it. It's so fancy. All right, so if I twist it open, it opens up and starts writing. So in case you're wondering, it is a ballpoint pen. Again, perfect for a guy. And I, use liquid ink pens, but that's okay. This is still cute. So we'll just put that to the side. And then we got stickers, which who doesn't love stickers? And I believe these are the same stickers that he had before. So gold foil, he has pink, and they are the same stickers. So you could have purchased these separately. Go ahead and open up the Action Planner. Now it does come in rose gold, but I did ask for a black because I feel like these are very masculine planners, and I would love to give this to a dude, and I don't know that dudes want a rose gold planner, but I think they want a black one. So this is in plastic wrap, so let's go ahead and open it. So I tore a little area off and the rest came off pretty easily. All right, so first thing you'll notice is it does have gold foil on it. And it looks like it's pretty sturdy. And over on the back, so previously in the Goal Planner, it did have a, I guess, embossed or debossed imprint of this same sort of sticker layout. But this one is plain, but it does have the bookmark holder over here. So let's go ahead and open it up. So created by ALoN, 90X Action Planner, designed by Effie Wiseman. Before you get started, make sure to grab your free video training series. Very cool. So he put a video training series together. I know he talks a lot about productivity and different systems and being more efficient. So I imagine that's probably it. I haven't checked out the videos. And so normally it's $4.97, but you can get it free. So it looks like it's a limited time planner. And then he has directions, which I always love, on how to use this planner. And over here we have a note from ALoN. And then a getting started guide, which I think is always a great idea, as well as the follow do, which we saw in the Goal Planner. So that is back if that's something you like. And it's kind of cute. And you can see the stitch binding over here all throughout, and how to fill out these pages. So he does have more directions. How to the pie of wealth. So same thing I believe as before, top 3 goals, why these goals. Now main actions, and then I think this is really what makes it the Action Planner. Some ideas And then how to fill out the weekly spread. And over here, how to fill out the dailies. And this is, I think, what makes it the action planner versus the goal planner. It has a lot of action items for you to complete. And then, of course, a let's get started. And it looks like there's 90 days again, just like the goal planner. And then the pie of wealth. We saw that. We saw the vision board, your top 3 goals, why these goals, main actions, ideas. We see a weekly layout, and then space on the bottom, so last week's wins and lessons learned and thoughts for next week. And then over here we have the dailies, so it looks like you can do a week and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and then you get a quote page. And then we do the rinse and repeat cycle. So if we go through here, I mean 90 days should take us all the way to, there we go, to day 90. So let's flip back here. Congratulations on achieving your goals. Write the goals that you've achieved, how you reward yourself, what is next for you, what goals would you like to achieve next, and then some blank pages to take some notes. So these are line pages. And then you get some blank pages that truly have no lines or dots to sketch things out. And these are actually a lot of pages. I think these are, I'm going to say these are about 10 pages. So that's helpful. And then over here, a big thank you. And on the back, we have, I want to say, is this something? Oh, it's a folder. It's a file folder. So you can put stuff in there. So this is kind of nice. The file folder is towards the inside versus, I always get annoyed when people put the opening to the outside because that means things are going to fall out. But he did a good job of putting things on the inside. So let me just put something in there. So you can put something small, like a small postcard, or maybe if you have some notes that you want to keep. So this is useful. Plus there is a, I don't know if you guys even noticed that, there is a bookmark in here. So it's just a black satin bookmark that matches the rest. So you can keep track of where you were. And then an elastic band to keep everything. What do you guys think? This is definitely a dude planner. I think guys would really like this. It's very muted. It does not look feminine or girly, and it still helps you to stay on track. And plus, you know, with the undated planners, you can pick it up and leave it whenever you need to, or if you're busy or if you're on vacation, you don't have to worry about having empty dates. And I feel like undated planners are possibly more for men. I could just be guessing that, but I think this is just more versatile in terms of being able to put goals in there or work on a specific project. So definite win for guys. And obviously if you are a girl, because it is black and white, you can always add stickers to kind of spruce it up. And the pen, again, ballpoint pens, I'm not a big fan, but it is perfect for the pages in here and for a guy to carry around. And it's very muted and small. So muted, in fact, you should be careful so you don't lose it. There's no clip on it, which actually I really like. I'm not a big fan of clips. I'm not a big fan of ballpoint pens, but if I had to use a ballpoint pen, I would love to use this one because it's very, like, it's sleek, it looks modern, and honestly the clip is a little outdated to me. Just my opinion. All right, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought, if you think it's going to make a good Christmas gift this year to a guy in your life who can also share your love of planners, because I'm guessing if you're watching this channel, you love planners too. All right, I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.